In this video, we are going to learn about select statement. Select statement is one of the most often used statement in MySQL. Select statement is used in order to retrieve the data from the table or to query the data. It is one of the most simple query we are using in SQL. So in order to query the data from the table, we need some table. So in my database, I have already created a database named DataB, in which I have a table named employee. You can see in my schemas, there is already a created table named employee. For your reference, I am just seeing the description of the table. So I just type DESC employee and we just run this query. And we find the description of the table that there are some field name, EMP ID, F name, L name, department ID, manager ID, DOB, salary, mobile number and email ID. Suppose I want to retrieve the data of only one field from this table, what I do? I just write select, the select statement clause, and I want to retrieve a particular field. Suppose I want to retrieve EMP ID from the name of the table employee and followed by semicolon. I just run this and you can see the EMP ID is there. That is, we can get the detail of EMP ID here. We just again see this description. And we find that these are this number of columns. Suppose I want to see two fields or three fields. So I just write EMP ID, F name, L name and email ID. That is a selected and specified column I want to see. So I just write this and I get this result. I have made mistake here. It is F name. So I just misspelled the column name. That's why I'm unable to get the result. And here the results are. So this is how we are getting the detail of one column, two column or three column. Suppose I want to see all this detail. As you see in this column, I want to see all the details and how many rows are there, how many columns are there. So for that I use select star from employee. And I just run this query and you will find that these are the total columns and near about 44 rows are inserted in this table. In this video, we learn that how we use select statement in order to retrieve a particular column or all columns or rows from tables. And in upcoming videos, we will see that how we can use more effectively SQL in order to retrieve the data from the table. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.